Good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever it is in your part of the world. This is another Abyss Tech blog video, 1:27 a.m. on February 7th, 2018. Today's topic is about one of my more so upcoming projects with the good old Dell Latitude E6410. You may be questioning, what do I plan on doing with an old laptop like this? Well, I'm going to upgrade it. What originally came with the laptop was a Intel Core i7-620M, which is a dual-core hyper-threaded processor with the first-gen Intel HD graphics. So once I got done upgrading the CPU to the Intel Core i7-720M, which is a quad-core CPU, I realized something after doing some research. It's not compatible with the motherboard that's currently in here. Why? Because said motherboard doesn't have integrated graphics. I mean, dedicated graphics. Sorry, I'm a little tired right now. So that was, in a way, kind of a $20 blunder. But look, I found a motherboard on eBay for the same laptop with dedicated graphics. It would be this chip right here, which is an NVIDIA-based workstation GPU. Nothing high-end, about equivalent to a GT210 or something like that in the mobile field. So people will play a few games. You know, nice upgrade in performance. So I'm going to go ahead and show you around my Intel-based laptop, the Dell Latitude E6410. By the way, I also have a camera, which I'm pretty sure you've seen in the most recent video, which is the hiatus video. Alright, so here we are with my wondrous Dell Latitude E6410 with the Behringer sticker, which came with my Xenex 302 USB. So let's just go ahead and do a quick tour of it. 2 USB ports, one's already broken but surprisingly still works. Microphone, headphone, switch for Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, my DVD-ROM drive, which I can pop out and put in a different one if I want. That's one thing I like about Dell laptops. A few other brands I like that too. My express card, 54 slot, Firewire on the front. Got the latch release. Express the SD card. My hard drive / SSD, which I actually have an SSD in this, and this is a Crucial MX300, the 275 gig. I've got a 525 gig in my main desktop, which is what I'm recording from. Then I got my USB 2.0, a USB / eSATA port, VGA, which I tend to use a lot when I'm at places that I need an extra monitor. Got my power, my charger port, my display port, gigabit Ethernet, punch out for dial-up. Who uses dial-up? Well, people in the country, obviously. And then there is the wondrous branded battery, which I will show you the branding of it. I got it. If anyone wants a good battery, go with the Pure Dick battery. Get it? Pure Dick. Get your mind out of the gutter, people. And then I got the serial key. I don't care if you guys use it or not. I don't use Windows 10. And of course, this is the wondrous big bottom where I can upgrade almost everything in this laptop. And then we got the glorious keyboard with the little thumb little thingy, which I use a lot. Touchpad, fingerprint scanner, which I can't figure out why it's not working. Power button, basically all the stuff. And I also have a 14-inch 1400 by 900 res. I can't remember. I think it was 1366 by 760. I can't remember. But yeah, basically the basics of my laptop. But I plan on doing an actual live stream on doing the rebuild of my laptop, so I could throw that motherboard in and also a couple of other things. But first thing I'll probably have to do is upgrade the BIOS so it'll support the CPU. But anyway, back to the webcam. Hi again. Yes, I have a dedicated video camera now. So I'm not stuck with this, which I'll probably use for my more quicker vlog videos, but my phone's been going ridiculously slow. But anyway, that's one of my next projects I have planned, which is probably going to be a long couple hours. So I could just take my time and find a way to help me stay up all night so I can maintain my sleep pattern. Because it seems I work third shift now. But anyway, I'll probably go ahead and live stream this on my Twitch and then upload it to YouTube afterwards. Deuces.